the Dabangg of Indian cinema, but now he's all about being the tiger. Salman Khan, thanks for coming to the show tonight.
Hariva.
Salman, I know you're busy promoting the movie, but can I talk for 20 minutes about being Salman Khan as well?
Of course. You can talk about anything you want to talk.
Because it's been a wonderful journey. I remember watching Maine Pyar Kiya, and the same guy sitting opposite me as the Dabangg of Indian cinema. What has it been like for you?
It's been very quick.
Has it?
Yeah, it's been like I was shooting for Maine Pyar Kiya yesterday. आज सुबह को पिक्चर रिलीज हुई, आज शाम को एक था टाइगर प्रमोट कर रहे हैं और कल एक था टाइगर रिलीज हो जाएगी. ये जो 22 साल की जर्नी है इतनी क्विक रही है.
But when you look back at that,
I don't look back. I'm
in Maine Pyar Kiya, you could never be like him now because he's a bit of a wuss.
What? At that point,
wasn't he a bit of a Rona, Dhona, the guy who would get beaten up in Maine Pyar Kiya?
Not really.
No?
No, not really. He was still a romantic hero. Was still, even then, was larger than life. He fought for the woman he loved. He went against his father for his love, and he went against the girl's father, and then he won them over. So that was Maine Pyar Kiya.
Larger than life defines all your roles now.
I guess larger than life defines just about everything now. You know, you have to have one person that you follow. You always you follow your teacher, you follow your guru, you follow the right thing to do, the correct thing to do. You know, in any way you have to be larger than life. Only if you're larger than life, you would you'll be followed. And there are some larger than life negative characters that they stand out and you don't follow them. So either which way, larger than life teaches you to follow or teaches you not to follow.
It's interesting because I've seen in your life, you have taken decisions or you've said things. For instance, your support of Sarabjit. Now that's a politically controversial. It's something most film stars wouldn't get into. But you supported Sarabjit and said you'd appeal to Pakistan to release him.
You know, the stuff that I've read on Sarabjit was all that mistaken identity, and he served his sentence. He's been there 20-some years, plus he was not involved in the blast. So if all these things are true, and if he served his sentence and his sentence is going to get over, then I think he should be sent back home. The same thing for all the people who have been here, whose sentences are over, they should be sent back home. सजा खत्म है. आपने कानून ने उनको एक सजा दी, सजा खत्म हो गई है. जैसे सुरजीत सिंह को छोड़ दिया, सुरजीत सिंह आ गया, वैसे ही यहाँ से छोड़ दें, वहाँ से छोड़ दें. अब उस वक्त ये ऐसे टाइम पे सुरजीत सिंह छूट गए जिस वक्त ये फिल्म रिलीज होने वाली थी. तो एक सुरजीत सिंह से छूटने से एक सरबजीत की याद आई, तो वो टेक्स्ट कर दिया. फिर ऐसा लगा कि कहीं लोग ये नहीं सोचे कि ये एक था टाइगर रिलीज होने वाली है. हमें तो स्ट्राइक भी नहीं हुआ था. फिर एक बार यार ये फिल्म रॉ एजेंट के ऊपर है, ये ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि, तो फिर उसको डिले कर दिया गया. अभी दैट्स ऑन द बैक बर्नर कि कहीं अच्छा करने के चक्कर के अंदर ये नहीं हो जाए कि ये एक कोई पब्लिसिटी स्टंट है, गिमिक है, क्योंकि है नहीं. अब उस चक्कर के अंदर एक अगर जल्दी छूट जाते, हमारी प्लीज से रिक्वेस्ट से अगर एक आदमी जल्दी छूट जाता, तो वो अब बिकॉज ये डर है, ये खौफ है कि उसको ये ब्रांडेड नहीं हो जाए कि ये एक फिल्म की रिलीज के लिए कर रहे थे. तब वो अगर कहीं ना कहीं एक पॉजिटिव अप्रोच ले लेता है, पाकिस्तानी गवर्नमेंट बोल देते कि चलो ठीक है इनको जाने दो, तो वो थोड़ा सा डिले हो जाएगा. अगर नहीं होता है तो हमने कोशिश की है. तो ये हमेशा से मसला रहता है. ये हमने 4-5 साल पहले भी ये सब्जेक्ट उठाया था, फिर डाई ऑफ हो जाता है, फिर वापस से आ जाता है. अब वो है वहाँ पर इफ अगर मानना है जो भी गिल्टी है, अगर गिल्टी है तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट पर्सन शुड बी लेफ्ट. बट अगर गिल्टी नहीं है, अगर एक मिस्टेक इन आइडेंटिटी हुई है, तो देन आई डेफिनेटली थिंक दैट उस आदमी को को फॉरगिव करके वापस भेज देना चाहिए.
This film, in a sense, is interesting, the choice of it, because just the choice of a raw agent, the fact that Pakistan is involved, it's again a kind of subject that Salman Khan has usually stayed away from. Now you have a huge fan following in Pakistan. There were reports that the film won't be released there. You didn't think twice about taking a subject which is politically sensitive.
देखिए, we're from the film industry, we're actors. Indians love us, Bangladeshi love us, Pakistani love us, Afghanistani love us, Arabs love us. We are loved by Moroccans, Egyptians, Iran, Iraqi, the world. Whoever watches Hindi films, Puerto Rican, Spanish, Americans, British, whoever. We're not about when it comes to. We're born in India, but when it comes to films, we are just heroes for people who like our movies. So we're not here to give make any political statements. उस वक्त political statements करेंगे जब politics में आ जाएंगे. लेकिन जो बात वो नहीं होने वाला है. लेकिन जो बात ज़मीर को गवारा नहीं करती, वो बात जरूर आके, डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री है, हमारा ओपिनियन है, सही है गलत है, हम आके हमारा ओपिनियन जरूर सामने डालेंगे. ये नहीं है कि ये क्या सोचेंगे, हाउ विल पीपल रिएक्ट, कौन क्या मुद्दा उठा ले, बिकॉज आई थिंक द पब्लिक आर द आवाम, द पीपल हैव बिकम स्मार्टर देन दैट. दे अवेयर ऑफ कौन टीवी पे आता है, किस पॉइंट को लेके आता है, क्या मुद्दा उठाता है, कितनी माइलेज लेके चला जाता है, और कौन सही और कौन गलत है. और विथ सो मेनी सोशल नेटवर्किंग sites, plus you have your Twitter, you have all your thing. You get to know your fan base, and you get to know what the population is basically thinking. So far, it's been from the time that I've been here, it's been 22 years in the film industry. Fans flop films, hit films. Fans have not changed. They've not gone to see the flop films, but the hero has not flopped. What is the connect? I don't know. Today, we are here, you're here, and I'm a man who is 46, 47 years old.
But let's just go across, because what you said is true. You're a hero across. Forget Twitter, because it's all about
I'm just giving you
no,
examples.
It's all our towns, whether it's Mumbai, Bhopal, Lucknow, the small villages, they all know Salman Khan. So let's just go across to Lucknow, where we got some questions for you.
Hey Salman, my question for you would be, आपकी जो first movie थी, it was with Rekha ji, which was बीवी हो तो ऐसी. After that, you both have not acted in any film together. We would love to see you both together. Any plans of having a movie with her soon?
She's been very nice to me. I've really loved her and respected her for. I get along fine with her. She's beautiful. She's gorgeous. I think she puts all our new girls to shame. मतलब कि कोई class ही नहीं, कोई comparison ही नहीं. The way she looks right now, and I think she's amazing to work with.
She's in Parliament right now, Salman. You said no politics. Why you don't like politics?
No.
You're used to politics in the Hindi film industry.
No, there's no politics in the Hindi film industry.
Achha, really?
I will come to that later. But right now, I believe the actors in politics is better than politics in the film industry.
Right.
So there must be politics in the film industry. I'm sure there's politics in the film industry, but it is better that actors should be in politics than politics in the film industry. Rekha ji के साथ ये है कि I don't know क्या casting, it doesn't look good as mother.
No, that's true.
Yeah.
I saw in the Rajya Sabha, she's too glamorous to be anyone's mom.
She's lovely. I think the Parliament is kind of lucky to have Rekha ji there.
Of course, attendance will go up. Let's go across to Delhi and I'll see what the questions from there are.
Hi Salman! Hi Katrina! Hi Salman, I'm a really big fan of yours and मैं आपसे seriously एक question नहीं पूछने वाली कि आप कब शादी कर रहे हो, क्योंकि मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि हम में से कोई या पूरी इंडिया में कोई लड़की आपको चाहती नहीं है कि आप कभी भी शादी करो. एंड वेल, मैं करण अर्जुन मूवी की बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ और मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आप दोबारा क्या रीमेक कर रहे हैं शाहरुख खान के साथ करण अर्जुन का, क्योंकि हम बहुत छोटे थे जब हमने मूवी देखी थी और हम चाहते हैं कि आप दोबारा शाहरुख के साथ काम करिए, क्योंकि वो ये पिक्चर एक फुल ऑन एंटरटेनमेंट होने वाली है एंड हम चाहते हैं कि आप फिर उस मूवी में जरूर काम करें.
You also laughing at that?
No, but tell me, I said all your movies now, even your promos, have this bit about now it's time for you to get married. There's a whole play on now Salman Khan and getting married. Now you've accepted that you're going to be the eternal bachelor, or
I don't
are
know.
you still hopeful?
See, marriage is something कि हम थोड़ी लिखवा के आए. मैरिज के लिए दूसरी पार्टी भी राजी होना चाहिए और दूसरी पार्टी मिलनी चाहिए.
I don't think वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सलमान.
लेकिन वो फिर प्रॉब्लम नहीं है अभी तक. लेकिन आई थिंक मेरी कुंडली में लिखा है, शायद लिखा होगा कि जिस दिन वो प्रॉब्लम होना शुरू हो जाएगा उस दिन मेरी शादी हो जाएगी. कि जब सुशीला ताई हमारे घर पे काम करती हैं, वो बहुत टाइम से उन्होंने हमारा ख्याल रखा है घर पे, जब वो रिफ्यूज कर देंगी तब तब ऐसा लगता है कि शादी करनी ही पड़ेगी, फिर ढूंढेंगे.
But are you enjoying being a bachelor? Why have you stayed away from marriage so far?
No, I've not stayed away from marriage. I've just come very close to it. Yeah, that was enough.
Am I allowed to ask with whom?
Huh?
Am I allowed to ask with
With
whom?
everybody. I mean, not you. Not
No,
you.
of course not. I'm married.
Not you, I know. Mad women are dead for me.
Oh no.
They like.
Okay. No, but moving on, how was it in the last movie that Katrina and you did together?
Ji.
Yuvraj didn't do well.
Ji.
And in fact, I remember, I think I interviewed Katrina or you after that, and you all said,
Yeah.
okay, we're not doing movies together for a while. What brought you together in Ek Tha Tiger again? Why did you think it's a good idea? Of course, it's also your first film with Yash Raj.
You don't think of it. I don't think it's a good idea at all.
And then?
Like we did as a couple, as a romantic lead, we did Yuvraj together. It did not do well. Now, Katrina asked me to work with Vipul Shah, London Dreams. The film did okay. It was not. It was appreciated, but box office wise, it was not like huge hit. Then she recommended Mr. Anil Sharma to do Veer. Now Veer was a nice film, but it did not do. Then after that, she recommended me to do Ek Tha Tiger with Kabir Khan. Now I'm thinking, what the hell? ये मुझे डुबाने के पीछे तो नहीं पड़ी गई. So.
But it's interesting because then you're saying you listened to Katrina, you're blaming her for those three disaster decisions.
No, I listened to. Of course, there are sometimes that वक्त खराब चलता है, you have to listen.
आपका वक्त नहीं खराब चल रहा है.
Yeah, but no, she's today the position that she is in. She works really hard and she is giving it 100% best. From Yuvraj to now, I think she's a lot more confident. She's in the space of basically I've got so much. I have to show respect. I can't let down fans. I can't let down God. इसी चक्कर में I have to keep on working harder and harder. Now, अगर आप machine हो तो ठीक है, लेकिन अगर human being हो तो you get burnt out. I think she's been falling ill as well because of the same reason. आज she's not here because she came to Delhi to promote and इतना करके shooting भी करो, ये भी करो, performances भी करो, and so you fall ill. तो अभी ये भाग नहीं रही जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं कहीं बिस्तर पे लेटी हैं, ठीक रही हैं बुखार में.
Oh no.
तो
We hope she gets well soon. But it's interesting because
नहीं, जुकाम है, कोई मरवा नहीं जाएगी, फिक्र मत कल ठीक हो जाएंगे.
you sounded so sad. I said, oh no. I said, but no, but it's interesting because so many people say that you had a huge role to play in her success. When she came in and when her first few movies flopped, not many had faith in Katrina Kaif, but you did. And do you think that's borne fruit today? What role do you think Salman Khan had to play in a sense?
See, I have faith in a lot of people. I have faith in a lot of people, but they also should have that faith in them. Me having faith is that I've seen lots of people and I see if I can be attracted to somebody, if I can like somebody, if that person will make my head turn around, I'm so sure it's going to make the whole country's head turn around. And that's what happened. But then with that comes in that person's own personality. It comes in the hard work, the dedication, the perseverance, all these things put together and a lot more, to make that person happen. And I think she's there. She's signed the right kind of film. She's worked with the right kind of people. She has done the right brands. She's refrained from all the temptations in life. She's a young girl. She might want to go out, party. She doesn't do any of that stuff. She just work and go home. She's done well for herself. I'm very proud of her.
That's great. You don't control her because there's one thing that she wouldn't sign a movie unless Salman Khan said okay or whatever. That's changed now in a sense because she's also now very different from those early years.
See, then as well, I was at no given point of time her secretary, her manager,
her advisor,
her
guru.
I was never any of those things. I was a friend of hers, and still am. We are the only family that she has here. She's got a very large family, but here, nobody. So the family's in London. So here we are the family, we take care of her as a family member. So अगर कहीं गलत जाती हैं, तो she gets also pulled up for it. Not only by me, by my sister, my father, my mother, and she has to listen to it, and so she's good at listening.
You're referring to that controversy just now about in the movie and about what she was wearing when all these reports came
I'm
out?
just talking about...
Okay,
no.
because those reports came out and quite nasty reports saying that there was a fight and all that on the sets of the movie.
No, for example, if I don't like, something, if I, for example, if you're not wearing something nice, you're working with me, you're my leading lady. Now, clothes is something that you can see it's looking good, it's not looking good.
Of course.
Right? It would give you a bad image or not, okay? It's perhaps sometimes the way you sit, okay, sit down straight. Sit straight, I'm telling you, or pull it up. So with clothes as well, it's not to you, you're sitting fine. So with clothes also, it is the same thing. Sometimes the fit is not nice, andhere ke andar, pant ke bahar nikal aaye. Aina nahi hai. Sometimes your blouse is low, sometimes the color is not correct. So you tell that person, go change. Why it's not looking good.
But if somebody comes with you, that she locked herself in and all that.
If you come with a question, how is this looking? And I say, that means you already have a problem. How? That's looking like shit. Looking crap. Don't wear it. So she'll go and change. She said, but then why you ask? Go change it. Like, for example, you're wearing something, and I say, don't wear it. It's too revealing. So you will say, no, I'm okay with that, I'm not okay with that. Simple thinking. So that is what actually happened. And then I guess that there was nothing so large on this film apart from this small sawal,
No controversy.
No, nothing.
Boring.
So I guess this sawal is that either you must have heard it from, yes, if you watch TV, we're in the movie business, we watch a lot of movies, you're in the press business, so you watch a lot of interviews and stuff, you do your research. So if you read, everybody must have somewhere asked you that. So this sawal must have bada chada ke, ye hamare hi PR team se nikla hoga. अब जाके मुझे ऐसा एहसास हो रहा है क्योंकि इतने सारे सवाल हमसे और बार-बार क्योंकि ये इंसिडेंट हुआ है on the sets of Mashallah, and it was a normal thing. I was having green tea. How do you think this is? I just look at shit. So, really? Okay, I'll go change it. So, that was it. And she wore another blouse and came. Now I don't know the other blouse. I thought must have. I don't even know how it looks on screen because I'm not going to check out, blouses and stuff like that. So that she's gone. I don't know if it's a lot worse than the earlier one. Because I remember one day Sanjay Leela Bansali was sitting at home and she crossed by and she was wearing something. So I said, oh, hello, 1 second, where are you going? Yes, I'm going to Olive to eat something. So I said, okay. So what is that you're wearing? Too low. Said, oh, really? Oh, okay, I'll go change. Went and changed. So when she leaves, she says, is that okay? I said, that's superb, cool. Sanjay, what happened? So he started laughing. I said, why are you laughing? He says, I think that you said because the top was low. I said, no, it's just that it was not fitting right, no? The one that she wore was lower. So I said, what are you wearing? So you saw it. This is when you sit down and just pull it up and sit. Because it's no big deal. You go to places, you find, but then you'll see one idiot. You'll see one idiot and then he'll take a picture. You girls have that problem? When you go somewhere, somebody's staring at you. Otherwise, you're sitting down there, you're very comfortable with that. But then you have, there's also a typical Hindustani male, which is quite an idiot.
I was just going to say, Salman, blame the male, not what women
Exactly.
wear. Blame the
So
evil is in the male.
No, it's not the woman. The boys, the men. There's some guys are very chilled out and some guys are big.
Family channel. Family channel. Children in the audience.
What was that word? Huh?
Cheapo.
Cheapo. Yeah. Cheapos or, huh? What do you say?
Okay, that's going to be beeped out. But let's go across.
But no, but it is a fact. I
No,
mean, they deserve to be called that and they should be called that. What? Because हरकत ऐसी करेंगे तो फिर नाम भी वैसे ही सूट होगा. So for that, के कोई बदतमीजी नहीं करे, कोई एक तस्वीर चढ़ा के फिर वो अपने फेसबुक पे नहीं डाल दे, या क्या बोलते हैं, ऑल योर साइट्स एंड ऑल यू गाइस गो टू YouTube and all पे नहीं डालें. तो for that you got to be very careful, and she's very cautious about these things. तो कभी-कभी ये mistake हो जाती है. You suddenly because we're in the fashion world, we know.
Go ahead. Who has questions to ask Salman tonight? Go ahead.
Hi.
Sit.
Wow,
I'm not your.
so
You're not in school, dude.
So mesmerized. It's like I'm giving my worst test ever. So
Your
you know,
worst
like
test?
yeah, it's like my heart's like
Acha.
you know.
Do you have more male fans or female fans?
I have no idea. I've seen.
Who writes you letters in blood, male or female, or both?
I hope not guys. Please, I hope not guys.
Go ahead.
Yeah. So like I've heard about method acting and all, right? When you take on a character and you become it, and that's how you play a role. But what I've seen with your roles is that you don't do that, right? Now what you do is, funnily, like in every character, even in Dabang, Wanted, everything, there was a part of Salman Khan that was it, like Salman Khan's personality was in the character. How do you do that? I mean, it's just, it's funny, it's just Salman Khan in the character. How?
I have no idea, dude. I just have.
I have one more question for you.
Yeah, I'll just tell you. I don't know what. It's not Salman Khan. It's basically when dialogues are written. Dialogues are written, and those dialogues are very flowery dialogues, which I'm not that good an actor to carry out. I'm not an actor at all to carry out dialogues that are flowery. I can do real lines the way we talk in real life. I can do that stuff because I talk in real life like that, so I can do that on screen. So perhaps that's where you find that. And I use a lot of stuff that I've heard in real life. If I've heard a joke, in real life I use that. If I hear some nice word, I use those words. If I see a nice scene, and I put that in. So that's where you might find that similarity.
In Dabang, you were Pampy, got those dance steps were from somebody you saw dancing at a wedding.
Yeah, at
You have to show us a bit of those steps. What was it?
No, it's just something else. The whole world is doing that. It feels that I'm copying their steps now.
Okay.
I have Beena Kak's son's wedding. So there was Bharat Mama, her older brother. He was dancing like that. So I said, Mama ji, ये आपका स्टेप तो गया, ऐसे सूख कर दूंगा तुझे अगर तूने
वो बेल्ट वाला स्टेप था।
बेल्ट वाला स्टेप उनका था। फिर वहीं पे एक आई थिंक जब 3-4 ठिकाने के बाद एक आदमी डांस करता है, जैसे डांस करना नहीं आता और फिर कोई लोग चढ़ा देते हैं उसको, फिर वो एक निकल जाते हैं टेंजेंट के ऊपर, तो वो वाला जो था वो वहाँ से था। तो ऐसे ही रियल लाइफ के अंदर मिल जाते हैं। And when I was going through my acting course, I think Sajid Khan and me and Chunky Pandey were the only students that Daisy Auntie had, Daisy Irani. Now she's after a very long time acting in Shireen Farah in Bowman's film. So she had told me to observe people. Don't observe people who are there in the film industry, but observe people who you find interesting characters and you play them in your manner. So that was a lesson that was given to me. Then on top of that I was given a dialogue of Pyasa. For 6 months I could not remember those dialogues. Sajid Khan and me were the only 2 students. Chunky was doing really well, and then Chunky fizzled out for some strange reason, I don't know why, and she threw us.
Sorry, your phone rang, but that's okay, I guess.
And Daisy Auntie after 6 months got puck out because we used to eat all our food and we never actually concentrated. So 6 months it took us to learn that dialogue, which we still had to read and say it, and she failed both of us, and she prayed. She said कि तुम दोनों का क्या होगा पता नहीं. And both of us are doing pretty okay. He did well as a compare. He's doing well as a director today.
Yeah, that's
and
it.
I'm here.
And you're here doing great. Any more questions? Okay, now I'll do boy girl. Go ahead.
Hi.
I'm a real big fan of
Thank
yours, and
you,
I'm
sweetheart.
shivering while asking this question.
That's because it's cold, sweetheart. Even I'm cold. I'm sure it's not because of you, so I'm feeling cold. I'm sure it's really cold.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It is. It's a little offbeat question, but I really want to ask, what motivated you to endorse a detergent ad rather than an off shirt or an on shirt
See,
ad that would have?
if it was okay for me to take a shower with when I was growing up, you know, by the pump, where the clothes were also being washed, and we are in the khet and water flowing, and you're having a shower with wheel. I thought it was good to endorse that. Plus, I asked the people at home if they use wheel, and they said yes, they use. So only if I wear it, I eat it, or we use it at home would I endorse something. I'm not going to do a oil that I don't use. I have these. I have a. I don't know what to do on surrogate branding. Whether to take that money and to give it towards being human, because they pay well also. But then you have your ke kare ke nahi kare. It's a lot of money. You take the money doesn't come to you. It goes straight to the charitable trust. You have done a ad for a CD or for a soda.
Exactly.
You know?
Mineral water.
Yeah, mineral water. Yeah, that kind of thing. And that money, जो समझदार हैं, वो तो समझते ही हैं.
I think people have found it impossible to understand Salman Khan. On the one hand, there's the
My
people.
own people, I don't myself understand me.
No, but on the
My
one,
father does not understand. Nobody is understanding me.
no, but on the one hand, there are people who won't like it all. They'll say, look at the Salman in the Black Buck case. Look at Salman charged in a hit and run case.
Ji.
And then you've got the Salman Khan of being human. The Salman Khan who will go out of his way and do things I know personally that no other superstar would do. And we got those twins from Patna to meet you. You took time out and spent days with them.
I don't
How
think
do you
that's
reconcile the two Salman Khans? Or
I
are they
don't
one?
think that's a big thing at all, to remove 5-10 minutes in an hour or shell out some money from the amount of money you're making, because you're successful, people like you, and it's no big deal. I mean, you actually feel for that and you want to do it. It's never out of changing an image, or you feeling guilty that you're doing so well, and that's the person who's there who's unfortunate, and but it's just to feel that you feel and you want to do it. As far as the accident case or the Black Buck case, it's been going on for the longest time. Everybody talks about it. हमारा ही प्रॉब्लम है बात करने का, क्या केस है, क्या केस नहीं है, केस है भी या नहीं, मीडिया ट्रायल चल रहा है. Perhaps people would be scared ke every time we hear something ke some lawyer or some judge has read the cases. What, this 9 years, 11 years on this? So what do you do with that? So I guess the problem would be if some judge comes out and says, Jao khalas, that question perhaps would be raised against him.
You're saying you're the victim of your superstardom because of
It would be
because of
raised,
who you are that
okay,
you targeted.
why? How come he's let go? Has he eaten any money? So it will take somebody, a very dabang judge, a very person who doesn't care about these things, to come and say that there's nothing to it. Let him go. Accident case, culpable homicide. So somebody has to come there and say, there's nothing. Let him go. Now, if we say that we were not driving, it says, हाँ ये तो ये बोलेंगे, हम नहीं खेल रहे थे शिकार, वो हम नहीं था, आपने हमको 1 तारीख की रात को आपको वो हिरन मिले हैं, आपने हमको अरेस्ट किया है 9 तारीख को. तो अगर आपको इस तरह हम खेल रहे थे, तो आपको तो ये 9 दिन तो मिल ही गए थे ना, कि हमको तो थोड़ी पता था कि आपको ये जानवर मिले हैं. तो आप हमें कभी भी अरेस्ट कर सकते थे उस वक्त, आप हमें रंगे हाथों पकड़ सकते थे. अब एक सलमान खान गाड़ी लेके जाएगा, जंगल में जाएगा और मारेगा और फिर वापस आएगा. अरे रास्ते कहां से पता है उसको? कहाँ जाएगा? एक अकेला आदमी सर्च लाइट भी दिखाएगा, जानवर भी मारेगा, उठा के भी लेके आएगा. ये how is that possible?
We're going to take a quick break now, Salman, but lots
Yeah.
more questions
Of
right
course,
after this.
yeah.
We'll take a quick break. Welcome back. As the claps should tell you, we're interviewing superstar Salman Khan, and joining him tonight with some questions also is his director, Kabir Khan. Kabir Khan, please join us.
Hi, Salman. How are you?
I should always introduce him. Come, please join us. Kabir, you're on your call tonight. So what you have to do is you have to ask Salman some questions.
Oh, wow.
Everyone here has to ask Salman a question. It's not an easy ride for him here. So go ahead, ask him what you'd love to have asked him during the movie but haven't so far.
पूछ लो जो पूछ.
So, आपको, which is the best location?
लोकेशन मुझे यशराज स्टूडियो ही लगा है.
I know. Kabir, I have to-
I
no,
knew
not
that
a-
will be.
not a
I'll
filmy
tell you
question.
the history behind it. Because Salman has a very unique ability to have a correlation to
Patriot.
any
Big
country
patriot.
that you go to. He is able
I
to
love my
correlate
country.
it to some part of Bombay. So I just
Bombay
wanted to
Bandra,
find out.
actually.
Yeah. So we went to Cuba. Cuba was Worli Sea Face. Mardin, which was on the border with Iraq, was Panvel.
नहीं मार्दिन was the
Panvel.
राजस्थान का जो एक
हाँ, जोधपुर.
Yes.
जोधपुर के नीचे जो सिटी है, the pink city, blue city, that kind of thing.
Dublin was, I think, Bandra.
Dublin was no Hiranandani complex. Bandra Kulla complex. Yeah,
Why did you
yeah.
waste the money
Yeah.
of a producer?
I
You should
know,
have
I
just
know.
shot
We
in
could have
Bombay,
shot it over
Kabir.
here.
I told him to do that, but बस इनके पास बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा था खर्च करने के लिए, इन्होंने खर्च कर दिया.
What is it like for you, Kabir, working with Salman Khan? Because we just had someone in the audience say that the character remains Salman, and you're a documentary filmmaker turned Hindi film director. What was it like
I'd
deciding what
like
the
to say
character would
that
be like?
no,
a
the
tug of war?
character does not remain Salman Khan. There are, of course, the elements of Salman Khan that the audience loves. Of course, those are there. I would be stupid to throw those elements away. But I think Salman has actually created this character, which when you see the film, you realize that there is a certain coherence in it. There is a certain sort of understanding of the way the character begins and the way sort of he ends in the film. So he might not admit it, but there is definitely more Tiger in Tiger than Salman.
Salman?
हाँ क्या बात.
Is there more tiger in this than Salman? Or
There's
Salman
more,
ही
yeah.
है tiger?
अब ये कैसे भी पुट कर ले अभी. टाइगर सलमान है, सलमान टाइगर है, जो भी.
Like that young girl asked, does the shirt go off with this movie or not?
The shirt goes off for a little bit. ना एक आदमी आएगा, अभी शर्ट तो बदलेगा ना. अब वो
Not
shirt.
necessarily on camera.
हाँ नहीं वो वैसे कैमरा पे
That's
अभी
a surprise.
from one
That's-
mission
you
to
have to
another
see the
mission. At least shirt बदल के जाएगा.
No, I like it. I think it's good. It's why should men get all the fun? I think it's nice that your shirt goes off in lots
Yeah.
of scenes. But come on, let's have some more questions from the audience. Go ahead.
I think I'm in love with you, Salman Khan.
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank
And
you.
I'm really looking forward to Ekta Tiger. But I also want to ask, what's next? I mean,
After Ekta Tiger,
yeah,
I think Dabang is next.
the Bang 2.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Any more questions? Go ahead. Go ahead.
Can I get a tattoo of being human on myself?
Don't
Is
be
that not a
silly,
problem?
dude. Why?
Just like that, I'm a crazy
Just
fan
like
of
that.
yours. I want
If
to
you're
get it
doing
done.
just like
I want to
that,
get
then
Salman. I
If
want to get
you're
being
doing
human.
just like that, then don't do it.
No, but I believe in this. That's the reason. I
You don't have
believe
to
in
put a. You don't have to. I mean,
Don't
I
have
don't have a
anything
being
to
human tattoo, dude. and there's nobody who believe in it more than I do. So you don't have to believe it in by carving something on your hand. Write Karina's name, yeah. It's better.
I don't want that. Saf already has that.
Achha,
I
okay.
don't want that.
Write your own girlfriend's name. Why actually? Why would you write Karina's name?
It's there.
Yes, your name's there. Yeah, man.
She's my wife.
Super.
It's already there. So
Lovely.
I want being human. So can I get that?
Of course, yeah. You don't have to take permission from me. But if this is an original T-shirt that you're wearing.
Yeah.
Being
this
human.
is-
Yeah.
I don't like fake things.
Yeah, but don't buy fakes.
I
If you-
really don't.
Yeah. If you don't find the original, just write being human
There's
on your
not much
T-shirt.
of
and wear it.
products of being human available in the market.
There will be now from next month on. Next month on. अभी तक launch कहाँ किया है?
नहीं टी-शर्ट्स ही लॉन्च हुई हैं और कुछ
बस हाँ,
मिल नहीं रहा.
वो भी कॉटन
Either
बोर्ड
the
में
watches
launch
are
हुई.
also available.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Any other questions? Go ahead.
I have a question about the movie. Is there any particular incident that you could cite that you can recall right now was a big incident? Like I read somewhere about you shooting in Turkey and some shooting on the border area or something happened.
क्या हुआ?
That's the time where we were shooting in this very sensitive area because it's on the border with Turkey and there was a NATO base on top of the one mountain that we were shooting on, and it was a tense day as far as security is concerned. We weren't aware of it, and we were firing with our guns, our stunt guns, which also sound and look like real guns, and suddenly we got a communication from the NATO forces that wherever you are, whatever you're doing, just lie down for half an hour. And I said, what happened? And they said, because we have snipers all over this mountain, and till we contact each one of them and communicate to them that this is a film shooting happening, they might mistake you for real terrorists and shoot you. So there we were, sprawled out for half an hour.
I was not a part of that.
You were saying it doesn't matter.
I was not a part. I was not aware of this.
Oh, okay. Okay, last quick question because we're nearly out of time. Go ahead.
Is there any particular movie in which you would like to stay at the silver screen with Aamir Khan?
If there's an Andaz Apna Apna, if they came up with an amazing,
in some other movie.
No, the two I'm talking about.
Okay.
Yeah, there's Andaz Apna 2, but it has to be 10 times better than the earlier one. So they're working out scripts, but if they manage to get a proper script, then I would love to do it. I'd love to work with Aamir.
Okay, go ahead. Last question, sorry, because we are...
Someone I have read an article in which it was mentioned that in Hollywood, Will Smith, and in Bollywood, Salman Khan is considered as the most reliable actor who can give the proper outputs with the film. How do you feel like you are always rewarded with the performance? Your performance is always awarded by the audience. How does you feel?
It feels damn good. It is better than going to some award function and taking a award from Cholo Jando. It's better than...
Who do you not want to take an award
No, from anybody. I get my award and the reward from you guys who watch the movie. I don't need to be nominated for... And I've kept on mentioning this, that don't nominate me because I don't want to be nominated. I mean, must be one of those people who does not want to be nominated. So now you have 4 nominees or 5 nominees. मैं निकल जाऊंगा तो एक जिसको nominate होना वो आ जाता है उसके अंदर. अब उनको अच्छा लगता है, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है. तो जिनको अच्छा लगता है nominate होना, award function में जाना, award लेना, आप उनको दो, मुझे ना दो. मुझे नहीं लगता अच्छा.
What do you see is the difference in being a star and an actor? The difference in, say, the 100 crore club and a national award. Which should you prefer?
I don't. National award तो मिल ही जाता है. अगर picture चल गई, बच्चा small आपके steps करता है, आपके गाने गाता है. अगर ये बोलता है कि जब तक आप वो गाना नहीं लगाओगे हम खाना नहीं खाएंगे, जब तक वो picture लगाओगे हम खाना नहीं खाएंगे, हम स्कूल नहीं जाएंगे, तो आपको national award मिल गया है. Yes, beta, you wanted to ask us?
You just recently had a surgery
Yeah.
and you were shooting in really hot conditions because I think in England there was freezing temperature, 0 degree,
Ji.
and you were shooting in t-shirts.
Yeah.
And then you didn't even use a body double and everything.
Yeah.
So what is it that keeps you going? I mean, you just mentioned your age is 46, 47. And it's not like you're a newbie and you have to prove yourself. You
Yeah.
are there, like everybody knows you're a superstar. So still, what is it that keeps pushing you to...
It's me. Me myself. I like that. I like to push myself to, if you see somebody do something, you feel that you can do it, and you want to try and do it. It's just like every 26th December I try and run 20 kilometers, pagal hu. And I don't run at all, Ab uske alag hai ki 3-4 din your leg is hurting, your back is hurting, head is hurting, but you've done that thing just to see if you can still do it. I like that. It's a challenge. It's something against resistance, something which is going to put your whole body to task, is going to tire you out, is going to burn you out. I like doing those kind of things. Then it's a visual medium. Till the time you're not looking okay, I don't think and screen की कोई age नहीं होती जब तक आप अच्छे लग रहे हो, fit लग रहे हो, चल रहा है. Stallone 70 का हो गया. Still amazing. His film is coming out with Ekta Tiger, Expendable. It's coming out with Ekta Tiger. I mean, it's amazing.
But 100 crore club or national awards, you said you already got the national award. Do you hope this film will also breach, forget 100 crores, you've gone
I
over
think
that.
100 crores is no, I mean, if a film does not do well, it's a big disaster, then perhaps it will not reach the 100 crore mark. But today I don't think that 100 crore thing is with the business growing, fans growing. ये बच्चे मैंने प्यार किया के टाइम पे तो थे नहीं ना, ये तो अभी आए, तो ये भी जाके पिक्चर देखेंगे. अब टिकट प्राइसेस मैंने प्यार किया में कुछ और थी, अभी कुछ और हैं. So businesses increased, theaters have increased, fans have increased. That whole thing of wanting to go and see a film in the theater has become a big thing once again. Nice theaters, multiplexes, even the single screens are as good as the multiplexes. So people want to go. People want to go to the theaters. People want to go and enjoy themselves.
But you have two Hindi film industries today. You have the Gangs of Wasipur Hindi films and you have the Dabang Hindi films and the Rowdy Rathore Hindi films. Where do they actually meet? One says, "Acha, this is for Bunny."
He's
this is for the
here
art."
to talk on Gangs of.
No, I think what is nice is that the very
And you've been in both worlds, so it's interesting.
Yeah, so it's nice that both the worlds are coexisting. You know, earlier the problem was that one used to completely sort of wipe out the other world. But today the fact that a Gangs can, you know, release a week before Tiger and do well, I think it's a happy situation.
They
So-
advanced their date because of Ekta Tiger was released.
yeah, that of course. I mean, you know, any producer would be stupid to launch, you know, a film with a Salman Khan starrer today. I mean, let's face it, he is the most popular star today in our industry, and it's going to be a giant of a film, a giant of a release. You won't get screen space if you want to release. But yet, it is releasing a week before Tiger and doing well. So I think I'm glad that both the worlds are
There's
coexisting.
enough space for. Well, we're nearly at the end of the show, and we had NDTV viewers write in Salman and say, nominate some of Salman Khan's most popular songs, and some of them include from Ekta Tiger. So it would be wonderful if you could perhaps play some of those. And would you like to perhaps? Would be great if you could dance to some
Dance
of
to
them.
the song, dance to the song, that would be possible.
Acha, let's hear it.
Ah.
Let's hear it and let's see whatever. Maybe you can get. Maybe one of the girls would come up and dance with you.
If I dance, I'll dance with those two girls. Those two girls.
No, we can get some of the others.
No, those two. Those two. I will dance with those two only. Or I'll dance with him who's half asleep.
Okay, you can get him and those two. Let's hear the music. Salman, this is your turn.
Come, who wants to dance with me?
This one's their half asleep. I think it's the girls who died dancing.
Who? आप girl हो? Auntie? Really? Come.
Come on. Let's go a bit back.
Come.
माशाल्लाह चेहरा है माशाल्लाह रंग तेरे इश्क का गहरा है माशाल्लाह तुझको चुराया है पाया है ये जान बाजी बाजी दिल से दिल मिला दी आ गया है देखो बॉडीगार्ड